Lingolette AI just dropped, and after testing thousands of AI tools, I can tell you this one's different. If you're thinking about using it, stick around because I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. And yes, you can try it completely free from the first link below. Now, what makes Lingolette stand out is how laser-focused it is on real-time language translation, but with an AI twist that puts it in a whole new category. This isn't just another Google Translate alternative. Lingolette AI gives you on-demand access to live human interpreters, combined with AI-powered language tools, which means instant translation in real conversations, interviews, meetings, or even customer service calls. If you're running a business, traveling, or managing a global team, this can be a game changer. The AI understands tone, context, and even cultural nuances. So you're not just translating words, you're actually communicating effectively. That's a massive leap from traditional translation tools. One thing that surprised me, Lingolette isn't just for voice. It has a built-in real-time chat translation feature, which can handle dozens of languages almost instantly. I tested it with Mandarin, Spanish, and Arabic. It handled them all smoothly, even with slang and idioms that trip up most AI. Now here's something most people won't tell you. Lingolette AI also has a training mode. This lets you learn a language by practicing live with real interpreters, while the AI gives you feedback in real time. That's something I haven't seen combined in any AI app so far. It's like a personal language tutor meets AI with zero awkwardness. Another big win? No complicated onboarding. The UI is clean, intuitive, and surprisingly fast. You don't need to be tech savvy. And they support both mobile and desktop, which is perfect if you're working remotely or on the go. But here's the part that really sold me. Lingolette doesn't just translate, it adapts. The AI learns your preferences over time, like which phrases you use often or which industries you work in, and adjusts its tone and terminology accordingly. For marketers, consultants, or international freelancers, that's huge. And pricing? Right now, they're letting you test it completely free from the link below. After that, the paid plans are competitive, especially considering how much you'd pay for live interpreters alone. I'm still testing a few edge cases, but so far, Lingolette AI is one of the most polished and genuinely useful AI tools I've seen this year. If you want something beyond generic translation, something smart, adaptive, and human-friendly, it's worth trying out. And here's the kicker. In the next update, they're reportedly adding voice cloning and emotional tone, matching to make conversations even more lifelike. That could make this a must-have for creators, educators, and global sales teams. So if you're curious about Lingolette AI, give it a spin using the first link in the description. And if you're serious about using AI to save time, money, or scale your business, check out my recommended AI software list down below. I've tested thousands, and these are the ones actually worth your time.